Hey guys, and welcome to Techniac. Today we will unbox this House of Marley in-ear headphones. I purchased this one from Amazon.in and I will leave a link to it in the description down below. From the first impressions, the box looks pretty good. It is made out of recycled paper and in the front we have this little bird. At the back we have a bit of information. Manufacturing details. Note that it has an MRP of 1290 rupees. However, I got it for 499 bucks on Amazon.in. Let's just open it. I like the way it opened. It's kind of satisfying. So here we have the in-ear headphones with a user manual that no one reads. So let's just keep it aside. The headphone is winded in a good manner for protection and the quality of this rubber is good. The earbuds are small and have white dotted design and it kind of looks cool. Here's the 3.5mm jack with a mic. Note that this video is not for iPhone 7 users. I'm sorry. And you will also get a extra earplug pair so that you can just switch it according to your convenience. Just for you guys to get an idea of the audio quality, here's a sample. So I just tried recording the audio. The audio quality is good. I got good mic reception on calls and while listening to music. So just check it out. Yeah, it is a good buy. It's cheap, it is good, it is worthy. So guys, like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. This is Techniac signing off.